Good morning, Mark.
I know some got my shirt.
You got some on your shirt?
Yeah, because it's tooth on the chin.
What did you just say?
1, 2, 3, dig.
You dabbing again, mister?
1, 2, 3, dig.
It's alright. Alright, so this morning, where are you going now?
Camp.
What kind of camp?
Brooklyn Music Camp.
Brooklyn Music Camp. Are you excited?
Yep.
Alright. Grab
I'll
your
see you guys in a few minutes.
hours.
Hours.
Grab your book bag, please. So the baby's umbilical cord thingy has come off. And on another note, she pooped and it went right through everything. Like 3 sheets we had on this thing. It went right through everything. Where is she? Where's my poopy pants? Poopy pants. Hey girl. She's looking at you like, Ma, I told you I had to poop. That was the first poop all over the place that we've encountered. And it only took 8 days.
These are probably huge on her too.
So she has the hiccups, and a Hispanic thing to do is to put a piece of thread on the baby's forehead, and it literally stopped. She stopped hiccuping like right away. You're like a witch, like a witchcraft over there.
Stupid.
Bruja! Bruja!
Had to be from the mama.
You're doing witchcraft on the baby.
Stupid.
She stopped. She's not. She literally stopped hiccuping as soon as you put it on. I wonder why is that.
Mommy knows.
Hey, mama. Woo. She's like the baby whisperer. Put the baby out like that. Good job, mom. Why are you laughing?
That was funny.
What was funny?
Because we want friends.
We need friends. We just stuck here by ourselves. Looking out the window. Is anyone out there for us? I just saw the truck and I thought it was for us. Nope. No one loves us. It's like we're quarantined.
In quarantine.
It's like we're quarantined in this house. I tell her that she can take out the baby like around the corner or something. She wants to wait exactly a month.
She needs a shot.
Okay, but you can take it downstairs at least. Get some fresh air. Parenting at its best.
I'm playing need for sweet.
I see lilacs in the rain, and you are with me again. When April sprinkles her dreams in my heart, when we when we
Editing some videos, beer, booby milk. That's it for tonight, guys. Everyone's sleeping. I'm up editing videos. Unfortunately, I do not have Mark. He didn't come back home tonight. He's with his mom because he has baseball practice tonight and a baseball game early in the morning. So I will have him Sunday, which is good. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys like the drone footage. Good night.